Hi everyone, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today I'm going to show you guys another delicious recipe. Today we're making my favorite Southern style green beans. You probably already have these ingredients in your fridge. We're not gonna waste any more time. Let's dive in right into it. To get started, we are going to be using 1 pound of large and deveined shrimp. I am going to pat it dry so we can have a nice sear on the shrimp. Once you're done patting it dry, you're going in with a little bit of olive oil. Drizzle that in and mix that together. Next, we're going in with our seasoning. This will be listed down below. I'm using onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, salt, Italian seasoning, a little bit of pepper flakes. I'm going to save the rest so we can season the green beans later, but for now, the shrimp is nicely seasoned. We're going to be using a Dutch pot for this recipe. I'm going to drizzle about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil in here so we can pan sear our shrimp. We're going in with our shrimp. Just add that in there. I'm going to cook the shrimp for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until golden brown. Time to flip our shrimp over. As you can see, they are looking nice and beautiful. They're smelling good as well. So I'm going to allow the other side to cook for about 30 seconds to a minute. Then I'm going to remove it. It's looking good. All right, it's time to remove the shrimp. It is looking good, smelling good, and we know it's about to be delicious. So just remove that and set it aside right here. Next, we're going in with some bacon. I'm using about 4 strips of bacon. I'm going to cook that until it's nice and crispy. Smoked bacon is best for this recipe. Now it's time to remove my bacon. They are nice and crispy, y'all. Nice and crispy. Just remove them, set them aside for now. Perfect. You want that flavor, that bacon flavor in there. So set that aside for now. Now we're going to add in some onions. Add that in. We're going to cook that until translucent. And also we're going in with 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Perfect. Give that a stir. Cook your garlic till fragrance. Then you're going in with 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. So we can have a nice thick gravy. Not so thick, but you know. We're going to cook the flour. We don't want that raw flour taste in there. Cook it for a little bit. Just like this. Now I'm going in with my chicken broth. Just pour that in. As you can see, I'm carefully adding that water, that chicken broth in so we don't form any lumps. So I'm going in with how many pounds? I believe this is 12 ounces of green beans. I'm going to add that in just like this. Okay. Perfect. I remove the tip, as you can see, and just break them in half. We're going to add that in. Just like that. I'm going to add another cup of water. If you have chicken broth, of course you can add that in. I don't have any more chicken broth, so I'm adding 1 cup more, just to make sure everything is nicely cooked. Give that a quick mix just like this. Now, we got some potatoes going in. I'm using some small little potatoes. Add that in. just like this. Ooh, this is about to be so good, y'all. This is what I call comfort food, okay? Wait till you see the final result. Wait till you see it. Just like this. Next, we're going to season with the remaining seasoning we were using for the shrimp. Like I said, this has chili powder, pepper flakes, onion powder, garlic powder, a lot of good stuff in there, Italian seasoning. Give it a mix just like this. You can add some sausage in there if you want. I'm going in with 1 tablespoon unsalted butter. Also, we got some chicken bouillon going in, okay? Add that in just like this. About half tablespoon, okay? Give it a quick mix just like this. Also, I'm going to add my bacon. This is literally add everything, cover it, and come back. It'll be ready for you. Add your bacon. And now I can cover this. I'll add my shrimp later. Cover this, allow it to boil for about 20 to 25 minutes. Then we can add in the shrimp. It has been 20 minutes. The green beans have been boiling. It is time for me to add the shrimp in. And let me tell y'all, the aroma is to die for, okay? So let's add this shrimp in, which is going to add tons and tons more flavor in there. So, oof, y'all, I can't just dump this in there. I have to carefully add it in. But y'all see the vibe? This is what I called comfort food right there, okay? Okay? This is what I called comfort food at its finest. Potatoes are nice and done. They're nice and soft. Ooh, this looks so good, y'all. This looks so good. After a bowl of this meal, you need a nap. It is pretty much done. Y'all know the shrimp is cooked already. It's pretty much done. I am about to remove it and dive in. This is what I called comfort food at its finest, okay? Let's give this a try. It's saucy, it smells good, and you know it's about to be delicious. So let's give it a try. The potatoes are like perfectly cooked. They're not overcooked, they're not undercooked, like perfectly cooked, okay? Give it a try. Cheers. This is just too flavorful. So good, so perfect. You probably already have these stuff. Don't have shrimp, try chicken. Why not? Some sausage maybe. 10 out of 10 chef kiss, that's all I gotta say. I'm getting so many ideas. I can add some collard greens in here, y'all, some kales. That's it. I have no words because I know I'm gonna try this again and add some collard greens to it. It's gonna be top notch, chef kiss. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up for me. Help me out, so give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new here so you don't miss out on these amazing recipes. I will see you on the next recipe. Bye, guys.